Hi, I'm John Ivy Rainey, an artist certified by City and Guilds of London Art School in Specialized Finishes, specifically grain painting. This process, used for centuries, became very fashionable as a way to make more economical woods look like much more expensive woods, particularly in the 18th and 19th centuries. Wainscoting and trim are a collection of wood boards that cover a portion of a wall to help protect the wall and provide decorative elements for a room. It was exciting to learn that the entire keeping room wainscoting in Walnut Grove Manor House were originally finished with mahogany grain painting. I followed the direction of the grain in the original southern yellow pine that was used to create the wainscoting, painting a faux mahogany finish to make it look as if it had been originally made of mahogany, a very rich reddish-brown wood with beautiful grain and color variations. This is really special. I'm not aware of other house museums in our area where evidence was found of this technique in an entire room. Now it has been recreated in detail where the public can see the result. Though this house is modest in size and scale compared to other historic manor homes, it is clear that the Moore family understood the fashion of the era and had very sophisticated tastes they brought with them to the rural backcountry of South Carolina. This stage is called flogging. With the special brush, I apply a glaze tinted with artist paints. The process involves beating or flogging the glazes to create the texture and color of freshly cut wood. Graining. At this stage, the process starts to look transformative. Using 3 colors of paint made into custom glazes and traditional graining brushes with channels and slots, the colors flow around one another and begin to adhere to the first coat of glaze. The blending and flowing of the colors creates grain patterns that would have been visible in natural mahogany. Overgraining combines oil-based stain mixed with oil-based glaze to create transparent grain patterns over the first graining layer. This creates the visual depth associated with natural mahogany. Applying a 2-step clear varnish is the final step of the process. The varnish brings out the depth of the glazes used in previous steps and results in a beautiful finish that replicates and honors a centuries-old technique. I'm honored to have brought this historic decorative finish back to Walnut Grove Manor House. I'm excited that it now makes this place truly feel like the Moore family home.